Okay, my play is Peloton, a very popular discussion as of recent days, months, and, well, frankly, years. The day after shares surged 20% on news of that Amazon partnership, the stock pedaling downhill fast today following Q2 earnings. Peloton revenues fell 26% to $687 million. That's the sixth consecutive quarter of losses. Operating expenses also surged 110%. Said new CEO Barry McCarthy, trying to pull off the really ultimate uphill climb here, quote, Q4 will be the high water mark for write-offs and restructuring charges related to inventory and supply chain issues and the beginning of the comeback story for Peloton. McCarthy has raised membership fees. He's hiked some equipment prices. He's tested the rental option. He's also transferred production to third parties, all in order to turn things around. His initial vision, though, guys, called for 100 million Peloton members. They ended this quarter with fewer than 3 million. That's not an uphill climb. That's Everest-like. The company did not offer an outlook for the next fiscal year either. Shares are down 90% over the last 12 months, and you see the tumble today, down nearly 20%. He's making big moves on the fringes, Rochelle, but they're going to need something at the core of this company to turn it around.
I mean, they really are. They've seen their member count, their total member count drop slightly. They're still having an issue with churn. And even with this move with now Peloton selling its bikes on Amazon, when you think of the juggernaut that Amazon is, you're competing with everybody else on this. So what is that going to mean for Peloton's ad spend to be able to stay at the forefront of that? And I mean, they started off as a direct-to-consumer company. So what does this mean now that they've sort of entered into this Amazon foray? I think a lot of questions, but a very big uphill battle indeed.
Yeah, I think the Amazon partnership is certainly smart here from Peloton, since we have seen an interest here from users certainly begin to wane over the last several months. I think the key question here is what some of those future partnerships could potentially look like. We've heard that from a number of analysts over the past 24 hours that, hey, maybe this deal with Amazon is just a start here for Peloton, just in terms of distribution of their product and really making it easier for potential users, potential customers to get their hands on Peloton products. I don't know. There's so many questions out there, Dave. You mentioned the declining use in some of the Peloton products here from users right now, from members. Connected fitness revenue off 55% year over year. You look at that type of drop, certainly, like you said, it is a massive uphill climb for the company, at least over the coming quarters. I
could see an easy situation where Amazon is able to stream Peloton content. That seems like a layup, mixing my metaphors.